Hi, my lovely Aquarius. Welcome to your reading for month of June 2020 by my INCA Oracle. My name is Zeljka. I'm Croatian psychic and tarot card reader in Vancouver, BC. My dear Aquarius, we have two packs of cards. One pack is only Major Arcana, this pack, and I'm gonna look for one card for you from this pack, and this card is High Priestess for this month. I'm gonna look for a few more cards from this another pack. I'm gonna call the Spirit, Angels and Divine, Higher Instance, to help me choose correct cards for you guys for this month and interpret them correctly as well. So this card for this month for you guys is Two of Wands. Two of Wands is underlying energy, it's your foundation. Your home energy is Hierophant, and connection with other people, you have Queen of Pentacles. Your personal energy is King of Cups. Great card for this month, my dear Aquarius. Major Arcana card number 2, High Priestess. This month, my dear Aquarius, your whole month is gonna be influenced by this energy of this card. Energy of secrets, of things hidden behind the scene. So this is going to be applying on each area of your life, and it's going to be for all this month. My dear Aquarius, this month your foundation is Two of Wands. So it's all about partnership, working together, with pairing with somebody. So that is this month foundation. With song and poetry against Scientology disconnection. So say no to disconnection, say no to crime, say no to Scientology. Zeljka Bosnjak, Croatian poet and lyricist. Thank you. Mlada djeva gleda u me i pogledom svoj mami, pa mi kaže priđi bliže, znaš li momče da smo sami, pa mi kaže priđi bliže, znaš li momče da smo sami. Neću djevo, neću mila, nisam ti ja iz šehera, ne treba mi ni večera, ne bih ti ja tog šećera, neću ti ja tog šećera, neću ti ja tvog šećera. Baba, 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 novka, džola, džola, džola. Kakva je to cura, jebena još škola, kakva je to cura, jebena još škola. My dear Aquarius, in home you have this month Hierophant. It's about higher purpose. It's about your beliefs, your religion, your belief in God, your dedication to your home, to your people, to everything what you are standing for. You yourself, you are King of Cups this month. You are satisfied with your life, with things around you. You are happy, you are understanding other people. You show the love to and support other people. That is your energy. In connection with other people outside of your personal circle, of your home, you have Queen of Pentacles. With other people you are working. There is some project work, and things are great with other people. That is earth energy. My dear Aquarius, before we look into area of your love life, partnership and relationship, we're gonna make small summary about those cards in front of us. So your major arcana, High Priestess, is going to be applying for all month, and it's going to be influencing each area of your life, regardless is it love, home, family, job, business, partnership, school, whatever you're doing, like your beliefs, everything is going to be influenced by this energy of this card, High Priestess. Secrets, something hidden. You're going to be working with partner this month. You're going to be pairing with somebody working on same things, same seal, partnership. Your home, in your home you have dedication, and with other people you have earth energy working on your whatever you're doing, project with other people and things. So you yourself, you are very sensitive this month. You have a King of Cups energy, so understanding, enjoying life, and you understand other people. So and there is love as well and support that you show. My dear Aquarius, we have another pack of cards in regards to love, partnership, and relationship, but we're going to choose few cards from this pack. Dear angels, dear spirit guides, dear divine, please help us find correct cards for love life. What is to expect in regards to love, partnership, and relationship for Aquarius this month of June 2020, my dear angels. So first card, underlying energy for this month for you guys is desire. You both have desire. This is your underlying foundation. That is foundation for you guys. And your connection with your partner is Judgment card. Your partner has 6 of coins and you have 3 of arrows. My dear Aquarius, foundation for you for this month and your partner is desire. So you want to be together. You looking for this love with your partner. Between you and your partner, you have some things to resolve. There is Judgment card. Something has to be dealt with. Something you have to resolve. There is some things that you have to deal with. Your partner has 6 of coins. There is some help, some understanding and help. And yourself, you have 3 of arrows. You are entweder you have 3 of arrows, and that means entweder you are done with this relationship, or you are done with your struggling and you are ready for new start. Let me see. Clarify me the 3 of arrows. Please clarify me 3 of arrows. Clarify me 3 of arrows. So it looks like you are searching for soulmate. If this person that is with you is your soulmate, then you are at right track. If not, then you are searching for soulmate. You have to resolve some conflict with your partner, and your partner has help, has received help. So you foundation for both of you is desire. You want to be together. You want to feel love and have love. And if this guy is your partner, is your soulmate, then you're gonna be looking to connection with him. If not, or her. If not, then you are probably going separate way. You searching for your soulmate. And you both searching for your soulmate, but mostly you that is your mostly card, desire. Your partner has some things, it looks like some problems, and receive some help. It looks like that. My dear Aquarius, I would like to thank you for visiting my channel, for subscribing, liking, sharing, and if you didn't do that yet, please do it now. Subscribe, like, share. So see you next month with new reading for you guys. Bye for now. Baba novka, džola. Kakva je to cura, jebena još škola. Kakva je to cura, jebena još škola.